Need to convert your Google Doc to PDF? I'll show you two simple methods that take less than 10 seconds each. Let's jump right in. Method 1 is the fastest. Click File in the top menu, then hover over Download. From the submenu, select PDF document. That's it. Google Docs instantly converts and downloads your file as a PDF. This method is perfect when you need a quick, straightforward PDF with no adjustments. As you can see, the PDF looks exactly like your original document. All your formatting, fonts, and images are perfectly preserved. Method 2 gives you more control. Go back to File and this time, then scroll down and click Print. Instead of sending to a printer, choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Now here's the advantage of this method. You can customize your PDF before saving, select specific pages, switch to black and white, adjust your margins, or change the paper size. Once you're happy with your settings, click Print or Save. Choose where to save your file, give it a name, then click Save. Both methods create identical PDFs unless you've customized the print settings. And that's how you save Google Docs as PDF. Two methods, both super simple. Try them both and see which works better for your workflow. See you in the next one.